Do you ever find yourself frowning trying to work out about what colour you're looking at or what tone you're looking at? Do you ever look like this? I look like this a lot. But these days I found this fantastic solution. I'll just show you what it is. It's the solution, I call it the solution to frowning when you're trying to judge colour and tone. So let me just change this camera around. So I've got a lot of pet portraits. There's about 10 pet portraits lined up back there, and I've got to start hammering through them before Christmas. So this is the first one that I'm going to be doing. And if I'm trying to judge what the colour is on the nose or in the eyes or on the tongue or anything around here, I need to work out what the colour is, and often I find myself frowning. So I've got this invention called a low-tech, high-accuracy tonometer and colorimeter. And I was going to patent this, but it's impossible to patent because all it is a piece of paper with a hole punched in the middle of it. And all you've got to do is, if you're trying to work out what colour or tone, say it is on top of the nose there, then you place this over it and it takes all of the doubt away, because you can see straight away that that's kind of a purpley colour, and you can see it's a totally different tone and a totally different colour from what's around it. When you look at that colour by itself, sometimes your modern mind tells you lies, but if you shut out everything else and have a look through the magic low-tech, high-accuracy tonometer, colorimeter, you can see exactly what that colour is. It's the most amazing tool. Let's have a look at this one in here. That is definitely a sort of a bluey purple in there. Becomes a hot pink out here, but it's very hard to see when you're looking at the whole thing. So that's my tip for today, is to reduce the frowns. So no more of this and lots more of this by using your low-tech, high-accuracy colorimeter, tonometer. Thanks for watching.